Today we're going to explore two simple words that can profoundly impact your mental state and lead you towards a more peaceful and enjoyable life. These words can help you transition from feelings of isolation, anger, and fear to a state of wonderful peacefulness, where life flows effortlessly and everything seems to fall into place. These two powerful words are I am. They are not just words, but a declaration of your existence, a statement of your being, and a foundation upon which you can build a positive mental state. By using I am affirmations daily, you can transform your thoughts and feelings, leading to a healthier, more harmonious life. Think about it. How often do we use I am statements without even realizing it? I am tired, I am stressed, I am not good enough. These seemingly innocuous phrases can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. When you use I am in a negative context, you reinforce those negative beliefs and make them a part of your reality. But when you use I am in a positive context, you begin to reshape your mental state, aligning it with the peace and happiness you desire. Imagine waking up every morning and starting your day with positive I am affirmations. I am capable, I am worthy, I am loved. These simple yet powerful statements can set the tone for your entire day. By repeating them regularly, you start to believe in their truth. And as your beliefs change, so does your reality. It's important to understand that this practice is not about ignoring or denying the challenges you face. Rather, it's about shifting your focus from what you don't want to what you do want. It's about moving from a state of fear and limitation to one of love and possibility. When you affirm, I am capable, you begin to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. When you declare, I am worthy, you start to attract positive experiences and people into your life. One of the most significant changes you can make is to move from a mindset of lack to one of abundance. This doesn't mean you have to have everything you want right now, but it means recognizing that you have the power within you to create the life you desire. By using I am affirmations, you tap into that power and begin to manifest your dreams. And consider the difference between saying I am struggling versus I am finding my way. The former keeps you stuck in a place of difficulty, while the latter opens you up to the possibility of solutions and growth. The words you choose matter. They shape your perception of yourself and your circumstances. The transition from negative to positive I am statements might feel strange or uncomfortable at first, especially if you've been in the habit of negative self-talk for a long time. It's normal to experience resistance. Your mind might try to pull you back into old patterns of thinking. This is where patience and persistence come in. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, it does happen. During this period of transition, it's essential to be kind to yourself. Understand that slipping back into old habits doesn't mean you're failing. It's simply part of the process. Every time you catch yourself in a negative thought, gently remind yourself of your new affirmations. Over time, these positive statements will become your default mode of thinking. In addition to daily affirmations, creating a supportive environment can significantly enhance your journey. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether that's people, books, music, or anything else that uplifts. Limit exposure to negativity, whether it's from the news, social media, or toxic relationships. Remember, your mind is like a garden. What you plant and nurture is what will grow. Another powerful tool to complement your I am affirmations is visualization. When you say, I am successful, take a moment to visualize what success looks and feels like for you. Picture yourself achieving your goals, experiencing joy and fulfillment Engage all your senses in this visualization. The more vivid and detailed you can make it, the more powerful it will be. Your mind responds to the images you create, and this can help reinforce your affirmations. It's also beneficial to journal your affirmations and thoughts. Writing down your I am statements can make them feel more real and concrete. You can track your progress, note any changes in your mindset, and reflect on your journey. Journaling provides a space for self-expression and can be a therapeutic practice in itself. As you continue this practice, you'll likely notice changes not just in your mental state, but in your physical state as well. Your body responds to your thoughts. Positive affirmations can reduce stress, boost your immune system, and increase your overall sense of well-being. When you feel good mentally and emotionally, it reflects in your physical health. The journey of transformation through I am affirmations is deeply personal. Everyone's experience will be unique. Some may notice quick changes, while others might find it takes more time. The key is to remain committed and patient. And celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each positive thought, each moment of self-love is a step towards a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Many people around the world are discovering the power of I am affirmations and making positive changes in their lives. By sharing your experiences and connecting with others, you can find support and inspiration. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and transformation. In wrapping up, it's essential to recognize the immense power that lies within our words and thoughts. The daily practice of I am affirmations isn't just a simple exercise, it's a profound tool for personal transformation. By consciously choosing positive declarations about ourselves, we lay the foundation for a healthier, more fulfilling life. These affirmations are not just words, but catalysts for change, shifting our mindset from one of limitation to one of endless possibility. Imagine waking up each morning and affirming, I am strong, I am capable, I am deserving of love and success. These statements might seem small, but their impact can be tremendous. They serve as reminders of our inherent worth and potential, gradually rewiring our brain to focus on our strengths and the positive aspects of our lives. Over time, these positive thoughts will become second nature, creating a ripple effect that influences every part of our existence. It's also crucial to acknowledge that this journey requires patience and persistence. Changing long-standing negative thought patterns doesn't happen overnight. There will be moments of doubt and setbacks, but these are part of the process. The key is to be gentle with yourself and to keep going. Each positive affirmation, each moment of self-kindness builds upon the last, leading to a cumulative effect that can transform your life. As you integrate these I am affirmations into your daily routine, pay attention to the subtle shifts in your thoughts and feelings. Notice how your outlook changes, how challenges become opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. This practice is about more than just changing your thoughts. It's about cultivating a mindset that supports your well-being and encourages you to pursue your dreams. In addition to affirmations, consider incorporating other supportive practices into your life. Visualization, for example, can enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations when you declare, I am successful. Visualize what success looks and feels like for you. Engage your senses and immerse yourself in that vision. This not only reinforces your affirmations, but also helps to manifest your desires into reality. Journaling is another powerful tool. Writing down your affirmations and reflecting on your experiences can deepen your understanding and commitment to this practice. It provides a space for self-expression and allows you to track your progress, celebrating your successes, and learning from your challenges. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but progress. Each step you take towards a positive mindset is a victory. Celebrate these small wins and continue to build upon them. Your journey is unique and there is no right or wrong way to go about it. What matters is that you are making a conscious effort to improve your mental state and overall well-being. As we conclude, I encourage you to start today. Begin with 1 or 2 I am affirmations and integrate them into your daily routine. Be consistent and patient and watch as your life begins to transform. Your thoughts shape your reality, and by choosing positive, empowering thoughts, you create a foundation for a life filled with peace, joy, and abundance. You have the power within you to make these changes. The journey may not always be easy, but it is undoubtedly worth it. Each affirmation is a step towards a better you, a more fulfilled you. As you move forward, keep these words close to your heart. I am strong. I am capable. I am deserving. Let them guide you, uplift you, and remind you of your incredible potential. Take a moment to reflect on how these principles can be applied to your own life. What are the I am statements that resonate with you? How can you use them to create a positive shift in your mindset? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights not only benefit you, but also inspire others on their journeys. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the power of I am affirmations. Together, let's cultivate a mindset that embraces positivity, growth, and the boundless possibilities that life offers. Your journey towards a peaceful, fulfilling life begins with the words you choose to speak to yourself. Start today and watch as your world transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways.